How to change the ringtone of your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can change your ringtone of your iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step that you'll need to do is head over to your settings. So locate your settings app and then open it up. So first what we'll do is we'll check for any updates available. So go to general, then tap on software update. Now what we're doing is just making sure all of our version is up to date. That is our iOS version, so that we have all the new ringtones available. So update if there is an update available, then you can head back. Come to your settings, Come to your settings, scroll down, and there you'll find sounds and haptics. Tap on sounds and haptics, and inside sounds and haptics, you'll find the ringtone option. It's right here. Tap on ringtone. After you're here, if you want the classic iPhone, you can simply go to the classical option at the bottom, then choose this opening option. Else you can select whichever you want. Whichever you select will start ringing, so you get to listen how the ringtone is. So select whichever you want from here. You can also add a new song or any song that you want. It's completely up to you. And yeah, you can also change your text tone, new mail, sent mail, and everything here from here, and also the volume of your ringtones. And that's basically how you change your ringtone on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.